How to fix TikTok unable to authorize, please try again, error on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix unable to authorize problem on your TikTok. Now, let's get started. First, head over to your App Store and search for TikTok. Now check if there is an update available, and after you find an update, simply update it to its latest version. As you can see, there is an update available. Tap on update and update the app, and after you update the app, check if the problem is still there. If it's there, the next step you want to do is head over to your settings, go to your general, and go to iPhone storage. Now under iPhone storage, search for TikTok. Now offload the app, and after you offload it, reinstall it. After you do so, your problem should get fixed. Now again, if that does not fix your problem, the last solution is simply go back to your settings, go to general. After you're on general, scroll down all the way and you'll see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, tap on reset, and reset all of your settings. After you do that, simply restart your iPhone and log back into your TikTok account, and your problem will get fixed. And yeah, that is basically it guys. That is how you fix the problem. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.